Finally, we have the opportunity to travel to another universe. With Holoride technology, you too can enter a virtual universe. You've probably heard of Metaverse too, but you still don't know enough. Stay until the end to find out what Holoride is, how you can invest in this technology if you are an e-gold owner, and what the future holds for us. Welcome everyone on Be Successful, your favorite development channel. The place you always leave smarter than you came from. If you are new to the channel, don't give up a subscription so we can continue quickly. If you are already a subscriber, and you are convinced that this video will bring you value, give a quick like here too, so you don't waste time at the end. Next, I will let my colleague Paul give you a short presentation about Holorides and take you by car through San Francisco. Watch his presentation carefully, then I will show you the necessary steps to invest in this project. Be careful not to blink, so as not to lose wonderful things.
Back in 2019, Holoride had a dream: to be able to play video games while traveling by car. They wanted to integrate virtual reality into car travel. And now, 2 years later, they seem to have succeeded. Today we will do a test with one of the Audi cars to show you how Holorides work. It is not a special car, it is just the set for virtual reality that gives us access to the game. We will take a tour of San Francisco to see what awaits us. Holoride is a system that uses data from your car. The VR system collects real-time data from the car and synchronizes it with the game. Your game is informed by the car and copies the movements of the car. If the car turns left, the game will turn left. If the car turns right, then the game will turn right. And if the car accelerates or stops, so will the game. Whatever happens in the car will be faithfully replicated by the game. The most interesting part is that you do not have a predetermined route. Holoride shows us that we can successfully repeat the experience anywhere on any route. Another appreciable part of the Holoride concept is that it works on any VR set. So if you already have a VR set, they won't force you to buy the equipment from them. Now you're probably wondering how Holoride collects car data. Of course, there must be a pre-established partnership between Holoride and the car company to receive access to collect this data. This data collection is done through a series of sensors and video cameras placed on your car. Of course, this equipment is not installed exclusively for Holorides. They are here for traffic safety, but they are exactly what Holoride needs, without the need for the manufacturer to install new equipment. So based on an existing partnership, through which the car manufacturer gives Holoride permission to collect this data and transmit it in real time to your VR set, you have this opportunity to play a unique, personalized game for each car trip. Holoride also works on tablets or other smart devices. Holoride is currently working with Mercedes, Audi, Porsche, and Ford. These are the 4 current partners in the automotive world. In the demo part, Holoride developed 2 games. One in which you have to shoot some colored bubbles, of course copying the movements of the car you are in. If your car turns right, then the cannon you shoot with will turn right. The second game is with a flying robot, floating in the air, as well, when the car turns left or right, and our robot turns left or right. While playing this game, you have to fight drones, collect crystals. Everything is very addictive. But beware, these are not games for production. These are demo games. They do not have high resolution. Holoride wants to be very clear that this is not what the games will look like when they appear on the market. These are just pre-production games to show the technology on which the Holoride concept is based. Incredible how much technology has progressed in the last decades. I remember the first games I played in the 2000s, when I had to wait 30 seconds for the game to open. Now everything seems so natural that it is easy to forget that you are in VR. Everything synchronizes so perfectly when I move or when the car moves. This technology does such a good job that we are approaching the point where we can confuse our reality with virtual reality. Imagine how this technology will change boring car trips.
I hope you enjoyed the trip through San Francisco. Now let's get back to our daily reality. This wonderful project will be launched soon for investment on the Maiar Launchpad. Below I will present the conditions you must meet to become a Holoride investor. The first condition is to have e-gold and to have him staking. In case you are not owning e-gold, or you are owning but on other platforms or applications than Maiar Wallet, pause this video, go to the description of the video, where you have the link to the wallet, and download the application. Now let's move on. The first step in becoming a Holoride investor is, as I said, to own eGold and to be at stake. You have to successfully do KYC by November 22nd. In case you're wondering what this is and why you need to do it, let me tell you that this is a private sale of Holoride company's tokens, similar to a company's stock sale. In order for this sale to take place within legal parameters, you have to complete KYC before you can buy tokens. KYC is short for Know Your Customer. So all you have to do is confirm that you are a real person and make few documents available to them. On November 24th, you can buy lottery tickets. Each ticket costs $200 and will be purchased with eGold. See on the screen how many tickets you are allowed to buy depending on how much eGold you own. Attention! Only the eGold at stake is taken into account. And to buy tickets you need available eGold, which is not at stake. Each winning ticket will receive 5,000 rides. Then on November 25th, the winning tickets will be displayed. On November 26th you can claim ride for the winning tickets and receive back the eGold for the non-winning tickets. Exactly, if your tickets are non-winning, you will receive all the money back. Thank you for staying until the end. You will find in the description of the video other useful links to deepen the subject. Remember that no one on the Elrond team will ever ask you for the secret phrase. The only reason someone needs your secret phrase is to steal your money. Don't forget to like the video if the information was useful to you and to subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, take care of your money.